Alright guys, this is a interesting Walmart. There's really no room to turn around. There's the GM side, and I'll zoom in on the Walmart number. So I gotta park over there, and this is one of those Walmarts where if I had my drone, it would be perfect. So let's take a quick look. There's really no room to turn around unless I go way down there and turn around and come back up this way, which is what I'm not going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and aim for that inside dock, the one up against the wall. And the way I'm going to do is I'm going to go this way, straighten out my truck and trailer going that way, and then offset back all the way in right next to that yellow pole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you guys up over here to the side, maybe up on this cardboard box, and you guys could watch me park this. Actually, that might be too far back, so I'll set you guys up right here. Yeah, right here would be perfect. So, and let me put you guys right here in the corner. Yeah, that will do. So you're not really going to be able to see the front of the truck. Unfortunately, I don't have two cameras to get you both angles, but let me slam it in the hole real quick and that'll be the end of this one. just like that, real easy. Didn't quite cut it the way I wanted to at first, but I fixed it, corrected it, got it into the hole. That's all that matters. So yeah, easy as pie when you know what you're doing. Take it easy. Hit that subscribe button. Sorry I didn't have my drone charged, or I would have shot that up in the air and you would have gotten a really good picture on it. Anyway, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below, and see you on the next one.